Hey everyone, my name is Trista and welcome to or back to my channel. So as, so as you can see by today's title, we are going to be in the kitchen making some Oreo cheesecake. For this whole year, I've been craving cheesecake and never got it, so I finally decided to make it myself. So I have all my ingredients and stuff laid out and my recipe. So we're gonna just get right into this video, but before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and click the post notification bell down below so that you can be notified every time I post on a video, and follow all my social media which will be linked in the description as always. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. By the way, Merry Christmas. For real, I did this on Christmas Day because but yeah, let's get into this video. The ingredients that you're gonna need are Oreo, powdered sugar, unsalted butter, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and vanilla extract. First, we're gonna start off by melting some butter. And while that is melting, I'm going to add some Oreos to the blender. Then add the melted butter to the blender. The big blender wasn't working for me, so I had to switch to the smaller one. And I added some more Oreos and put some more butter to melt. While the butter is melting, let's prep our pan. First, I'm going to take it apart and get my parchment paper and cut it to the size of the pan. Lay the paper on the bottom of the pan and put on the side of the pan and tear off the excess paper on the bottom. Back to my blender, I added the melted butter and blended that together. The texture didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so I crushed up some Oreos in a plastic bag and added that to the pan. Then I add my blended Oreos to the pan and mix them together. Now that we are finished with our crust, let's start on our filling. We're gonna start off by putting both packs of cream cheese into a bowl with some vanilla extract and powdered sugar. Mix that with your mixer until you get a smooth texture. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a bowl. And whisk that together until it becomes fluffy. One thing to note is to not overmix the heavy whipping cream. Once you're finished mixing, you're gonna grab your cream cheese mixture and add the heavy whipping cream to it. Add it little by little and mix it together thoroughly. Once that is finished, you can now add the mixture to your pan. Hit the pan on a surface a couple times to make sure that there are no air bubbles. Then I grabbed a plastic bag, put some Oreos in it and crushed it up and sprinkled it on top.
But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a
So guys, I finished the cheesecake is already finished, y'all see that. So now I'm going to put it in the freezer to chill overnight, and tomorrow we'll slice and taste it. So see you guys tomorrow. So hey everyone, it's the next day. So now we're gonna take it out of the freezer and slice and taste this. So yeah, let me go for it out of the freezer.
Holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind. I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rest.
Okay guys, so I cut my slice. So now I'm going to taste this. It's frozen, very frozen, so yeah. Definitely 10 out of 10. It could have charred out a little bit more. I got like this frosty feel to it. But yeah. Definitely. I will let it char out a little bit more before I finish it, but yeah. Definitely try this. If y'all try and make your own cheesecake, tag me on Instagram, TikTok. Anyway, and yeah, DM me, everything, right? So this is the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and click that post notification bell down below so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And subscribe to my channel and join the family. And yeah, follow all my social media. Those should be linked in the description as always. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.